Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to set up static Wi-Fi extender. For setuping, first of all guys, power on your extender and push and hold the VPS button on the main Wi-Fi router for 2 to 5 seconds. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the VPS button on the static extender for 2 to 3 seconds and watch the LED light on the extender. And guys, the extender VPS light will blink and then turn solid and confirm your access pairing. After that guys, manually set up your web browser if you want to do. So guys, for manually setup, open your Wi-Fi setting on your phone and the computer using you just use this URL like 19.2.168.1 or also use this IP address. So this is the device ID and the IP address. When you simply search, and it is also specify on the model directly into the browser, so you simply search and you just logged in. After that, at the place of admin, you enter the admin, and at the place of password you just enter the password. Then you just logged in successfully, and you can select the home network, interfere with the scan and the list, and provide the exact network password for your home Wi-Fi router and save the configuration. The extender will reboot and apply the settings. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you.